Hello guys, welcome back to 100x Capital. Today I'm breaking down one of the fastest trades I've taken recently. In just a few minutes, this setup delivered a 167% return using leverage. And the best part is that the entire trade was planned before the move even happened. No guessing, no chasing candles, just waiting for the market to come to my level. Let me show you exactly what happened. I was analyzing the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame. One level immediately caught my attention. Around 65,632, there was a clear liquidity pool sitting below price. Now, if you've been following my content, you already know one thing about the market. Price is attracted to liquidity. And whenever I identify a major liquidity level on a higher time frame, I don't blindly enter a trade. Instead, I wait for the market to reach that level and show me its intentions. So after marking this daily time frame liquidity zone, I switched to the 5-minute chart and waited patiently. Eventually, Bitcoin started moving lower and came directly into my marked area. At that point, I wasn't looking to buy yet, I wanted confirmation. And that's where the real opportunity appeared. The market pushed below the daily liquidity level. It swept liquidity, it triggered stop losses, it trapped traders who thought the breakdown was real. But immediately after grabbing that liquidity, price started showing strength and aggressively moved back above the level. That was the signal I was waiting for. The market had taken the liquidity it wanted. Now the probability was shifting toward the upside. That's when I entered my long position at 65,543. Notice something important here. I didn't buy because the market touched support. I bought because the market swept liquidity first and then rejected lower prices. That's a huge difference. Most traders buy support. Professional traders wait for liquidity. After my entry, Bitcoin exploded higher almost immediately. Momentum entered the market. Buyers stepped in and price continued pushing upward. Within minutes, the trade moved strongly in my favor. I exited the position at 66,093. That's a move of roughly 550 points. And because I was using 200 times leverage, the result was a massive 167% return on the trade. All from a setup that was planned in advance. The biggest lesson from this trade is simple. The daily time frame tells you where liquidity is. The lower time frame tells you when to enter. When you combine both together, you can find extremely high probability opportunities. This is exactly why I always start my analysis from the higher time frame before looking for entries on the lower time frame. Now many of you keep asking which platform I use for these crypto futures trades. For this trade, I use Delta Exchange. One thing I like about it is that it offers a high leverage, quick execution, and a simple interface for trading crypto derivatives. If you'd like to check it out, I placed my link in the description below. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a fellow trader. Also comment below whether you would have spotted this liquidity grab before the move happened. I'll see you in the next trade.